Generativity as an adult preoccupation with the well-being of future generations is a well-studied concept in the social psychology literature. However, to this day, little is known about this concept within a consumer context. The adults' concern for a commitment to the next generation is expressed through parenting, teaching, mentoring, leadership, and a host of other activities that aim to leave a positive legacy of the self for the future. However, generativity is nowadays used more and more as a positioning strategy by firms. Indeed, many organizations give a generativity identity to their brands, products, or labels. For instance, Swiss luxury watchmaker Patek Philippe used the slogan, "You never actually own a Patek Philippe, you merely look after it for the next generation," and begin your own tradition taglines for over 15 years. In the financial sector, the HSBC claim, "Planning for your children's future promotes generativity." For Kotre, in 1984, generativity is induced by two different motivational tendencies, communal and agentic. Those two components have been described by Bakan already in 1966. According to communal generativity, the individual is more devoted to others than to the self and is willing to sacrifice his own good for the sake of loved ones. Agentic motivation represents the self-asserting, self-protecting, self-expanding existence of the individual as defined by Kotre in 1984. Agentic generativity focuses only on the self. The individuals need to have a lasting influence on others to be remembered even after death. In our research, we created a scale measuring generativity using 6 items, one factor of which measures the motivation for symbolic immortality, which is the agentic generativity, whereas the other factor measures the motivation to be useful, which is the communal generativity. Generativity influences the purchases of luxury goods, and more specifically, the agentic dimension occurs as a segmentation criterion. The worldwide luxury market is growing fast, and according to Bain & Co., it will reach approximately 500 million consumers by 2030, which is an increase of 66% of the market since 2013. In this regard, the luxury industry will compete to have its share of its attractive market, particularly among the epimeny, which is an article of Dubois, Sellard, and Laurent, where accessible luxury brands are gaining more and more in popularity. The growing market of luxury and its heterogeneity points out the need to continuously better understand who are the consumer and what drives them to buy luxury brands. The agentic generative consumer may be interested in luxury brands because they perceive the added value that can be kept for a long time and thus be offered to future generations. Indeed, agentic generative consumers are motivated to benefit future generations and driven by the need to become symbolically immortal. We used in our research 3 luxury watch brands of varying luxury, Patek, Rolex, and Kors, and for the 3 brands, we observed the agentic influence among wealthy people. More than 40% of the explanatory power has been found for all of the brands. Patek, Rolex, and Kors brand watch show that the perceived personal legacy value can help the segmentation of brands in terms of degree of luxury, accessible luxury versus luxury brand. Highly agentic generative consumers develop more favorable attitudes toward brands and higher intention to buy the brand because they perceive it as a higher value of personal legacy value. The perceived personal legacy value of the brand results show the superiority of Patek Philippe and Rolex on Kors on the watch market, because Kors is a Happy Money brand. Meanwhile, the other ones are more traditional. Generativity is also a segmentation tool. Parents are more agentic than non-parents, and also the 44 years and less are more agentic than 44 years and more. The less educated people are more agentic than the other. Those criteria can be used to segment the population, and therefore we are in the process to make further analysis of the data that we have collected on more than 300 persons in the US market.